8 members of a suspected lottery scamming network based in Montego Bay, St. James, were arrested today during a police military operation in Caribbean Estates, Portmore, St. Catherine. A statement issued this afternoon by the police high command said the 6 men and 2 women are believed to be linked to a major gang operation. About 7 a.m., members of a joint anti-gang task force went to the gated community in search of suspects who relocated to St. Catherine following pressure from the security forces in Western Jamaica. During the operation, it's reported that the suspects attempted to burn and flush lead sheets. The police extinguished the fire and detained the 8 suspects, who are all from St. James. Now, more than 20 cellular phones, SIM cards, laptop computers, bank cards, and lottery scamming paraphernalia were allegedly seized. The security forces also seized a Toyota Mark X motor vehicle. The anti-gang task force is urging persons, especially those living in gated communities, to be on the lookout for suspicious people and activities. It said displaced criminals have been moving into these communities to hide from the security forces and conceal their illegal activities.